let's begin our practice in a seated position. Placing the wheel behind your back, find a comfortable seat. Play around with the wheel so it fits tight into your back. And when you settle, take a deep breath in. And slowly release. Deep breath in, expanding your chest. And slowly breathe out. One more. And release. Place your feet over the mat, keeping your knees bent. Place your thumbs in the wheel and slowly lift your hips off the mat, keeping your chin tucked and forward. Inhale, lifting the hips up, rolling back. Exhale, roll forward. Inhale, roll back, keeping the chin tucked. Exhale, forward. Let's take a few more to get the spine warmed up. Inhale back and exhale forward. One more, back and slowly forward, lowering the hips down. Deep breath in, pressing firmly into your feet, rooting down through your sit bones. Inhale, lift, this time placing your left ankle over your right thigh. Place your hands over the mat. Draw your shoulder blades in together and slowly lower the hips down all the way to the mat. You're gonna feel a nice stretch in your left hip. Inhale, lift up and exhale, lower down all the way on the mat. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly lower down. Inhale, coming up. And exhale, lower down. One more. Inhale, roll back. And exhale, lower down. Hold here. Press the left knee away from your body to get a deeper hip stretch. And lean back on your wheel. Feel free to close your eyes. Feel the stretch in your hip, along your spine. Now lifting your hips up, rolling back, release your foot down and place your right ankle over your left thigh. To repeat on the other side. And lower the hips all the way down, feeling the stretch in the right hip. Inhale up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale up, keep the chin tucked to protect your neck. And exhale, lower all the way down. Up. And slowly lowering down. Two more. One more, up, rolling back, and slowly lower down, keeping your ankle over your thigh, pressing your right knee away from the body for a deep hip stretch. Feel free to close your eyes. Inhale, lift up, and release your foot down. Now bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to fall out to the sides, and slowly lower all the way down until your hips touch the ground. Your hands are on the mat. Inhale, coming up, and exhale, lowering down, feeling the stretch in the hip flexors. Inhale up, exhale, rolling down, roll back, and roll down. Let's take a few more, moving with your breath. One more, roll back, and slowly roll down, keeping your feet together. Settle in your wheel, place your thumbs in the wheel, and lean back. If you don't feel a stretch in your hip flexors, maybe bring your feet closer to your pelvis. And rest here for a few breaths. Feel free to close the eyes. Let the knees fall out. Expand your chest. Draw your elbows in together. Now placing your hands over the mat, place your feet over the mat, bending from the knees, and roll back, lifting the hips up and down, rolling back and down, keeping your chin tucked, down, up, and down, up, and drop your head down, extending your legs. If you don't feel good extending your legs, feel free to keep them bent just like this. If it feels okay, then extend the legs. Now slowly roll back down, keeping your head hanging, and lower your chin down only when you lower your hips down on the mat. Find a comfortable seat, cross your legs, keep the wheel behind your back, and place your thumbs in the wheel, leaning back. Take a deep breath in and out. Breath in and out, drawing the shoulder blades in together. Now one more time, place your feet over the mat and lift the hips up, rolling back, keeping the chin tucked, and coming down, back, and down. 3 more, rolling back and down. Deep breath in and out. 1 more breath in, rolling back and slowly down. Now come on your knees, keeping the wheel in front of you. Place your fingers in the wheel and keep your thumbs out. Hold the wheel from the bottom, keep it at an arm distance, and slowly roll it forward, bringing your hips over your knees for puppy pose. Pressing your chest into the mat, feeling a nice stretch along your spine. Come back. Now we're gonna take a few more. As you inhale, roll the wheel, hips are over the knees, pressing the armpits, the chest into the mat. And as you exhale, coming all the way back. Inhale, rolling forward. Exhale, rolling back. The arms are always extended. Inhale, forward. And exhale, slowly rolling back. Inhale, forward. Press your chest into the mat. And exhale, bringing it back. Move with your breath. Feel a deep stretch across the spine. Now, as you roll forward, this time, hold here. Stacking your hips over your knees. Your hands are on top of the wheel. Pressing your chest, your armpits into the mat. Hold for a few breaths. And slowly roll back. Let's end our practice in child's pose. Open your knees as wide as the mat. Bring the big toes together. And roll the wheel forward, lowering your chest all the way down into the mat. Ground your elbows down. Begin to observe your breath. Take a deep breath in. And slowly release. Let the tension, the stress melt away. Close your eyes and simply relax. And slowly rise up. That's it for our practice today. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.